Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what will be removed. Open the outliner and locate the object. This ensures you delete the right node. Next, use the Select tool and click the object or drag a marquee to select several at once. Make sure transforms are unlocked and the object isn't hidden in a layer. Once done, check for referenced or protected assets. Referenced objects cannot be deleted directly, so you'll need to remove references first. With selection ready, press Delete to remove geometry quickly. This handles the visible transform node. If your object has construction history, choose Edit Delete by Type History to clean up related nodes. For transforms tied to constraints, delete the constraint node first so you don't orphan controls. If the object is referenced or locked, open the reference editor or unlock attributes before attempting deletion. Otherwise, Maya will prevent. Finish by scanning the outliner for any leftover child nodes or empty groups. Delete unused shapes and layers to avoid clutter. Once satisfied, save an incremental copy so you can revert if needed. If deletion fails, inspect references, namespaces, and node locks. These are the common blockers. As one troubleshooting tip, if Maya refuses to delete, select the node and run a cleanup by unlocking attributes and removing any incoming connections. That usually exposes what's preventing the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.